everyone! This is your Asian friend Yung Yung here. How's everyone?
Good.
I'm going to teach you quick Chinese. Today we're going to learn some of those important words from Power of Boo. Very important. That boo is a very important word. It's a negative word, right? Negative?
Negative,
It's
yeah.
a negative word, right? All right. So, two phrases we're going to learn. One is not good, no good, okay? And the second one will be don't want. So the first one, no good, not good. We say it, 不好, 不好. So say it with me.
Boo, how?
Yeah, okay. The word 不, right? Power of 不. 不 is firm. So do it. 不,
Boo,
不.
boo.
好.
How?
How is good. So 不 is no good, right? Not. And then how is good. How.
How?
Yeah, how. You need a little bit like
With a swoop.
yes, you're very good. Swoop up, right? So a little bit sweet, like a how.
How?
Perfect. How, you can think about it as like, how are you? The how in English, how, right? But how,
How?
perfect. So now, no good, not good. In Chinese, we say 不好.
Boo, how?
One more time. 不好.
Boo, how?
Perfect. The 不 is firm, right? 不好.
Boo, how?
Perfect, perfect. Now you know how to say no good, not good. Now, second phrase we want to learn is don't want. You can, I don't want. Somebody give you something, you say don't want. 不要. So, 不 is the power of boo, right? 要 is want. So, 不要. Say it with me. 不要.
Boo, yow.
Perfect. 不. Both words, they are firm. 不要. So say it with me.
Boo, yow.
Perfect. 要 is want, right? So 不要.
Boo, yow.
Don't want. Don't want. 不要.
Boo, yow.
Perfect, perfect. Now you know how to say no good, not good, and then don't want. 不好 is meaning not good, no good. So say it. 不好.
Boo, how?
One more time. 不好.
Boo, how?
One more time. 不好.
Boo, how?
Perfect. Now we say don't want. 不要.
Boo, yow.
Yeah, both words they are firm. 不要.
Boo. What was that again?
不要.
Okay. Boo, yow.
How to remember that 要? You know that the basketball guy, Yao Ming.
Yeah.
Remember? Yao Ming, right? Remember his first last name. Remember last name? Yao, Yao, Yao. So use 不要.
Boo, yow.
Yeah, that 要 is actually firm. 不要.
Boo, yow.
Yeah, don't want. 不要.
Boo, yow.
不要.
Boo, yow.
Perfect! Now you know how to say no good, not good, and also don't want. Not good. 不好. 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 not good, 不好 not good, 不好 don't want, 不要 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 don't want, 不要